Today I'm installing our RZR Pro Harness Bar. It fits Pro XP, Pro R, and Turbo R all the way from 2020 until current. What this harness bar does is really cleans up everything that the OEM bar has attached to it. This is something you want to do if you're going to upgrade to PRP seats or upgrade to PRP harnesses. It removes all of this retractor mechanism mounts. It also removes a bar that is there to support the stock seats. Since the stock seats are plastic, the PRP seats have steel frames. This bar that's put on the OEM is not necessary for PRP seats and will actually cut the vinyl of a PRP seat. So you upgrade to this harness bar and you won't need to remove anything from your factory harness bar. You'll just unbolt that, bolt this right in. The only tool you need to do this is a 13mm socket or end wrench. So our RZR Pro harness bar will eliminate some of this clutter from your stock unit. You've got this bar here that's meant to support the stock seat. Not going to be necessary with a PRP steel framed seat or a composite seat. This just gets in the way, rubs the aftermarket seats. It will also clear up the mounts for these retractor units. Not necessary when you upgrade to a PRP belt. Perfect. All right, you might need to have a buddy help you hold up one side while you're putting the other side in, but you're basically just going to reuse the bolts that came out, put them right back in the same holes. Everything lined up. All right, you tighten down the 6 bolts, 3 on either side. You get your PRP harness bar installed. You can see here it's a lot cleaner. Doesn't have any of the tabs for the retractor belts. Set up perfectly for PRP belts where our belts wrap around the tube. Doesn't have that bar supporting the stock seat, which again you're not going to need if you're running aftermarket seats. So this is the PRP RZR Pro harness bar.